Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. So we are on the Gcash help center and here you can see that here complete process is mentioned that first you need to open the Gcash homepage and then you simply need to click on tap on cash in and then you simply need to select top global banks and partners and select the PayPal and then you need to enter the cash amount and then you need to click on next and then you need to confirm the amount for cash in. Once you done that, here you can see that cash in transaction made via PayPal or proceed immediately, but it may take up to 24 to 48 hours. So this is the process that you need to follow if you want to transfer money from Gcash to PayPal. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.